Japan, Japan time! Welcome to our hotel! Okay, mag-check-in na tayo guys. Binook na natin yung hotel natin yesterday pa kasi nga 9 tayo nakarating ngayon. Yung flight natin nag-land at 6 AM. So we made sure na may papahingahan tayo pagdating natin dito. So ipapakita nyo yung inyong booking confirmation. I got our hotel through Klook. Lagay natin dito. We're staying at Ichi Hotel sa Uenoshin Okachimachi. Okay? And don't forget to use my code. So here is our hotel lobby. We're staying at Ichi Hotel. Yan guys. Alam mo naman ang Japan, very hospitable din sila. And then when you go here naman, meron kayong pa-welcome drinks. Okay? You can get your tea, your coffee here, your kwencha. Sige han, inom kang tubig. Room temp yan. Meron din silang breakfast place dito guys. May pa-buffet breakfast sila. 1,500 yen. Hindi na kami kumuha. Ito siya. Okay. It's here naman. Okay. May pa-ganito sila. Guys, kung gusto mo magpa-tour in Ueno. Ang sarap nito. Ang sarap, ang sarap, ang sarap lahat. Hey guys, Joyce with Bartolome here. So for today, let me welcome you to our hotel here in Tokyo. Let's go! Okay guys, when you come in, ito guys, simulan natin. Meron siya dito parang mini drawer, open clothes rack. So may mga hangers tayo dito, may pa-brush tayo dito, and may pa-disposable slippers. Okay, and then here naman on this side, we have a full-length mirror. Yan siya guys. And let me show you our room. You know naman, Japan hotels are very compact guys. Pero for this one, medyo on the bigger side siya. Kaya ko rin siya kinuha. So tara, pasok kayo. When you come in, meron tayo dito na pa TV. Meron din kayo lalagyan na ng luggage dito. May pa air purifier tayo. And dito may pa safe. May kettle. Meron tayong pa tea and coffee and mugs. So, on this side naman, you have your working station, may blow dryer, so perfect na perfect yan. So, kung magtatrabaho tayo, pwede tayo dito mag-ayos. Okay? So, for our room, guys, ito na, pasok tayo dito. For our bed naman, guys, we have a 2 na bed. Ayan, guys, pwede kami ni Jello ngayon mag-tig-isa. Ano naman siya, guys? Double. Pero kasi nga ako naniniksik ako ng kama. Kami naka-queen kami. So, for this one, pwede kapag madumi na damit, dito tayo sa higaan ni Jello. Or kapag dito naman tayo, pwedeng tabi kami. So, ito, guys, what I love about the hotels of Japan is that ang mga hotel nila, guys, may mga pajama, may mga pantulog. So, ako, isang set of pajama lang dinala ko na personal. Tapos, ito na susuotin natin. Okay? Here naman, guys. Let's open the window. Ayan, guys. May pa-view tayo ng labas. So, yan. Kita nyo ang view ng ating labas ng hotel. Nasa quiet na neighborhood tayo. So, I love. Okay? Let me show you naman. Siyempre, dun tayo sa bathroom. Tara, let's go, guys! Oy, mas malaki siya than the usual. Let's go. Pasok tayo. For our bathroom, guys, of course, we always have our very smart toilet. Alam nyo yan? Pakita natin dito. Guys, ang ating mga papindot-pindot dyan, pangpunas ng ating puwewet. Ayan siya. And then for our pinaka bathroom naman, meron tayo dito na mirror, ang ating lavatory. Ito guys, hindi na kami nagsipagdala pa ng mga toiletries namin kasi super love ko ang shampoo, conditioner, and body wash ng Japan. And then this one naman guys, perfect ito. Diba the usual, nagsistay tayo sa APA. Ang kanilang bathroom guys, mas maluwag ang bathtub. We love our bathtub. So bibili tayo ng mga bath bomb guys. So perfect. Perfect. Guys, here naman on this side, we have our towels. So, no need to bring your towels. Alright? Let's go. So, for our stay here sa may Japan, guys, we'll be staying here. Guys, binook ko na yung day before. September 10 pa lang kasi I know, guys, na tayo ay darating ng maaga dahil maaga ang flight natin. The usual check-in here in Japan is at 3 to 4 p.m. Dito, guys, 4 p.m. So, I made sure na meron tayong hotel para makapahinga-pahinga na tayo on our first day. So, we are staying at Ichi Hotel Ueno, Shin Okachimachi. So, kung nakita nyo kanina, ang lapit niya lang sa may train station. Yan ang lagi nating tinitingnan kapag nagbubook tayo ng hotel. At isa pa sa reason, guys, kasi naghahanap ako. It's September now, papunta na ang mga tao para magbakasyon. Medyo on the pricier side naman talaga ang hotels dito sa Japan. So, what I love, nakita ko ang reviews, malinis, maganda ang service, malapit sa train, and mas malaki than the usual. Our room is 18 square meters, guys. The usual that you see here in Tokyo is at 11 to 12 square meters lang. So, perfect ito sa akin. So, kung itatanong nyo magkano dito per night, we booked this around 5,300 per night. May tax ng kasama yon. So, yan guys. If you wanna book this hotel, I booked this through Klook. And if you wanna get a discount, don't forget to use my code JOYSHIKLOOK to get your discount. So, yan guys. I'll show you a montage. Pakita natin ang labas ng hotel na to para makita nyo ang mga convenience stores, ang ating mga train stations. So, yan. Hope you like our vlog for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts at Yamput Joyce Ann on Instagram and Chi JY on TikTok. So, on the next vlogs, alam nyo na yan, kakain, mamamasyal, magsha-shopping, at magpipicture-picture tayo ni Jello dito. So, I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Guys, another amazing part sa hotel na to. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Kita mo dito, ang Tokyo Sky Tree sa aming window. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito, guys. So, we'll make sure for this trip we'll be going sa Tokyo Sky Tree, okay? Ang galing guys. So, meron din sila palang pa-mirror. Sama natin to. Nasa ibabaw yung hair dryer. Tapos, andito siya. Amazing! Yan. The reality. Kapag nagbo-vlog, guys, makita natin. Ngayon palang papasok si Jello sa kwarto. Ganun tayo, ka-open dito, guys. Artista. So, I love it, Han. Tahimik, tsaka mas malaki. Hindi makapasok yung mga luggage. So, ngayon, perfect, guys. Dalawa ang ating kama. Kasya din naman kami tabi ni Jello dito. Parang ayaw na akong katabi ng asawa ko.
Isa na lang, masikip eh.
Magto 2 years pa lang ikasal yan. So, yeah! Thank you so much for watching! See you on the next one! More! Japan time! Thank you for watching!